Okay, so I got my brows done and also my eyes primed. It will take about 8 or 4 minutes of this video, so that's why I do it off camera. If you guys were curious why I don't ever show it anymore. But now we're going to be taking the BH Cosmetics 3rd edition 120 palette, and I'm going to be taking that pink. And we're going to switch things up in this video because why not? It's long needed and long overdue. Okay, so I'm just going to take the pink and I'm going to apply the pink right in our crease. It's like a shimmer baby pink. I'm going to be cutting the crease and I'm going to be using my favorite concealer. This was just the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I love this concealer. It's a bae. So I'm just going to be cutting my crease with it. And yeah, do that. I love this step. This has become like a signature step for me. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me palette, actually Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to be taking and using the applicator that it comes with to make sure I set it. Because if you do not set concealer, it'll be so awkward to put eyeshadow on unset concealer and everything just runs. So I would recommend you guys always set a concealer anywhere as far as your eyes, your under eyes, highlight, whatever. Please set, because some concealers will be running and you don't want that. Be taking the BH Cosmetics same palette that we've been using, and I'm going to take a smudge brush and I'm going to apply the black color right in the crease where I stopped using the concealer, like right at that harsh line. You know, instead of blending it out, I'm just going to, you know, apply black there, and I kind of feathered up my black just a little bit because it does look a little bit harsh, but don't worry. It's gonna work out. Of course, I had to go in with a brown because I felt like my looks wasn't really complete without a brown crease color. So I'm going to take that brown, I'm going to apply it right above the black and kind of like really blend out. If you're gonna do like a black, try to focus on more blending, because you don't want to like you just draw on black. Like, it took some time for me to like really get it together. Now I am going to be taking is this yellow, and I'm going to be using this applicator from that palette that we just used from the brown. That is the Beauty Trees palette. I'm just going to be taking that yellow. I felt like having an applicator, if you're going to use like bright colors, it's going to really like allow your shadows to really stay in place and pack on very, very well. Taking the red, and it's like a red and orange color mixed together, because if I apply it within the yellow, then you will see like a ombre effect if you really look up close. Plus, if you saw my Instagram, which is Beauty by Diana D, then you can definitely really tell. So this applicator is definitely good for that, like putting colors beside each other, because I felt like if I would have used a brush, it would have took a little bit longer. So yeah, and then I took a blue and I applied a blue right next to it as well. I really did not know. I was wanting to do a colorful look. That's what I'm going to explain about this look. I wanted to do a colorful look, but I really didn't know where I wanted to go with the colorful look. So yeah. Then I'm going to be taking the Color Makes gel eyeliner and I'm going to be applying it to our upper lash line. And then I'm going to be taking like a little baby wing action. I like a little wing action going on. And then after that, I'm going to apply some lashes. For mascara, I am using X Lash mascara, and I love this mascara. It's very jet black, and also it just really allow my eyelashes to look very volumizing. And I'm taking the LA Colors Dramatic Lashes, and that completes the look. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a massive thumbs up and let me know what other colorful looks do you want to see on this channel. And I gotta go, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.